Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you how to use a baby Doppler sonolin B. So the baby Doppler sonolin B, it says here in the box, #1 baby sound tracker, easy to use, instantly hear baby sounds, built-in speaker, fun to use. I like to keep mine in the box just because it's a really nice box, and just to keep it clean and keep it in a good condition for a very long time. So when you open the box, you're gonna have this, and then you have this part. You also have a gel. It's an ultrasound transmission gel, and here is a user guide, user manual. Okay, the screen has a protection that I haven't removed yet, so you can peel the protection, and it also comes with two AA batteries. Here, baby Doppler batteries, and to begin use, you have to plug this over here. Okay, you can attach here as well if you want. And over here is the on-off button. Here we have the volume button. Here it's completely off, and here is as loud as it goes. It's pretty loud. Next to the on-off button, we have the backlight. You can turn it on. And here in the other side, we have the mode 1, 2, or 3. Here in the corner, I have the amount of charge we have. I have full charge. Here's the built-in speaker. So I'm gonna show you how I find my baby's heartbeat with this baby Doppler. Okay, so I already plugged here. I'm gonna apply some gel. If you don't use the gel, you're gonna get a pretty loud static sound. You have to use gel, and honestly, you can't hear the heartbeat without the gel. I tried without the gel first, so I like to put a big amount here. I'm gonna try my left side first. I think that's where the heartbeat is. Hold here. I'm using mode number 2. You see this sound? This is not a heartbeat, but this is the blood flow of the baby. But we want a heartbeat. Oh. It's close. Found it. The sound is pretty amazing, huh? Wow, listen to this. It's really cool. You want to have a paper towel next to you when you're done, because this can get pretty messy with this gel. I took long to buy this. I didn't buy this in the beginning of my pregnancy. Honestly, I didn't find one sooner, so now I'm using this to find the position of my baby, just to play around, just to kind of hear the heartbeat when I miss her. You know, the doctor visits can be far apart in the beginning, and you miss listening to that sound Dum, 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 dum. So beautiful.